subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. I go and mash up piece of jackfruit in the morning. I go down at the market and I see the man I sell the jackfruit. I couldn't resist because jackfruit is one of my all-time favorite fruits from a boy till now. So I really love jackfruit, guys. Drop it in the comment section if you love jackfruit. In today's video, I'm going to do one rice and peas. I'm going to do some papaya sauce, fried chicken, and some vegetable stew. So that's what I'm going to do for my dinner today, guys. And sorry about that. Welcome all of our new subscribers to our channel. Thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. We really appreciate the comment. We really appreciate the support. Thank you, guys. But in the meantime, as you see, I work on my jackfruit. I want some. So today, guys, I use 2 coconut. I use one for the vegetable stew and one for the rice and peas. But I catch the coconut water because I want to drink this morning. I break up the coconut them, and then the next step, you know, so I have to take them out of the shell. I ox out the coconut, guys. So I'm going to basically put the coconut in our hand towel. So that in other terms, the rag will protect me from the knife. So this is my way of taking out the coconut out of the shell. So I'm just go through with all of the coconut and just do all of them the same. So me wash off the coconut, done ox out it. So the next step now, I have to grate out the coconut. So I grate out the coconut, guys, and whatever amount of juice me get from it, I go split it in 2, cause one set of the juice I have to do the rice and peas, the next set of the juice I have to do the vegetable stew. So the coconut done grated. So the next step now is to squeeze out the juice, which is the coconut milk, out of the coconut. So I hit where I do now. And guys, I keep on saying we because doing the video, I'm like doing it like you're a part of the video. So that's why I keep on saying we, because I'm doing the video for you guys to be a part of the video and a part of the learning process. So guys, I use this pot to do the vegetable stew. So I add 2 cloves of garlic. The peas already washed. So I'm going to add some of the coconut milk in a hit. Because I'm going to cook both the peas and the coconut milk together. And I'll leave this amount now for the rice and peas. I'm going to put it on the fire because the fire is right beside the camera. So everything start off early this morning, guys. I try done the vlog them more earlier so you can get to sit down and watch them on Sunday daytime when I upload them. Now is to add on the next pot, which is the next pot for the rice and peas. So I'm going to add some ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. I just take them out for the water, add them in the pot. So guys, me have 1 piece of scallion, 1 stalk of scallion. I have onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. So I will cut them up for season up the chicken. I'm going to use little of the scotch bonnet pepper, add some spice in the chicken. Guys, here you have the chicken clean off and wash with some vinegar. So I use some onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, pimento seed, 1 spoon of garlic powder, 1 spoon of all-purpose season, 1 spoon of chicken season. Now I'm going to add chop up seasoning over the chicken. I'm going to add the pimento seed. I'm going to add my garlic powder. The rest of the powdered season, which is the chicken season, and the all-purpose season. Use my spoon and mix them together. So as you know, the procedure, when I season the meat, I season it and taste the season to see if it too salt or I want any additional season. So this I hit. So I check on the peas them to make sure say them are cook and everything will go accordingly. So this are the rice and peas pot, and these are the vegetable stew pot. Peas for this stew practically almost done cook. So I'm going to cut up the vegetable what I'm going to use in the vegetable stew, otherwise called ital stew. So I'm going to use some Irish potato, some carrots, some sweet potato stew. So I'm going to use some okra in it. I'm going to also use some of the little spinach dumpling in it. So I'm going to cut up the carrot. And then I go add them in. So the last thing I go put in a hit after me add in the vegetable, I go add the okra because I don't want me okra them to overcook. So I go add the okra them. So which are the last thing that. The peas done for the rice and peas. So me add on the peas back in the pot and I go cook the rice and peas in and the rest of peas cook for the stew. So I go add in sweet potato, carrots, and the Irish. Guys, the pot is so hot. So I'm going to cover it and make it go on. Vegetable them. I will cover it and make the vegetable them go on cook before I actually add in the spinach and the okra. And then after I add in them, then I go season up it with my scallion, my onion. And I go add some butter and some all-purpose season just to give it a taste of season. And I go add one green pepper in it, enhance the flavor. So I go season up the rice and peas pot. I go add a piece of butter, which I half stick of butter. I go add one green scotch bonnet pepper, add flavor to it. I go add 2 stalks of scallion, piece of thyme. I go add some chop up sweet pepper. And the sweet pepper will help you add flavor to the rice and peas. So I go add some salt. And I go taste it. So I go add a little bit more. So I go cover it up back now. I'll check on the vegetables through same time. So it'll come on good, guys. The next step what I go do now, I go roll in some little dumpling put in the ital stew, which is the vegetable stew. Ital stew, vegetable stew, guys, it's the same thing. Just want some little one. And I'm going to add some of the purple onion in it. So the next step now, guys, I'm going to add in one pepper in the vegetable stew. I'm going to add a piece of thyme in the vegetable stew. I'm going to add in the okra in it. So guys, I'm going to add a half stick of butter in the stew. I'm going to add some chop up scallion. So I basically season up in it, you know. I'm going to add some all-purpose season in it and taste it, right? So these are the vegetable stew, guys, so you practically done cook. So I'm going to take it off of the fire now, but I just give you know, a look at it right now. So guys, so the next step you know, I have to add in me rice in my pot you know. So Rice and peas and ital stew. So the next step after this is to fry the chicken. So the rice and peas done. So I'm going to add some oil in the other pot beside it to start fry the chicken. Guys, I'm going to use this amount of flour, about half pound of flour, right? I use some all-purpose season, 1 spoon of all-purpose season, 1 spoon of paprika. So I go mixing them together. So the flour I'm going to use dip the chicken in before I actually add it in the oil. So I'm going to add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper in the oil, right? I add 1 stalk of scallion. So I use 2 glasses of milk. So I'm going to add my chicken in the milk, which is the cow's milk. So basically I dip my chicken in the flour before I actually add them in the oil. Guys, I use 1 papaya to make the sauce. I just add little water in the blender just to blend out the papaya because I don't want it too watery, right? So I'm going to saute up my season them, so I'm going to end up using about the same onion and scallion when I use season up the chicken. I use some shredded ginger. Okay, one tablespoon of shredded ginger. Then I use some green Scotch bonnet pepper for spice, right? I'm just saute up the seasoning. I'm going to add the papaya. I use one serving spoon of brown sugar. So I'm going to taste the sauce to see what you want, right? That's our next step. Guys, the microphone battery dead. Hopefully you can hear me still. So I'm going to put it by the charger, but add some all-purpose seasoning and a little pinch of salt in the sauce just to help enhance the flavor. So also I'm going to add some turned papaya. When you serve the sauce, you can literally taste the papaya itself in the sauce. So now I'm adding the papaya and just make it just simmer down a little bit because I don't want them to cook out. the sauce practically done, so I'm gonna take it off of the fire, you know. And the vlog almost finished as well too. So guys, me actually I finish up now, so me garnish the plate and thing, you know. So dinner done cook, right?